Hair, 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 band, 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 band. Hairband, 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 Lishi. Lock picking legend, you're here. Speedo's on, dive in. So, what was all that nonsense about? Let's get into it. Back in the day, going back about 15 years now, to demonstrate how little turning pressure you needed on a bump key, we'd hang things like feathers off them. And people have been asking me, how much tension do you need for a Lishi pick? So I've got a hairband on a Lishi. So if you can grab hold of a hairband, loop it through the hang on, let me move this so you can actually see it. Loop it onto the very handy part of the tensioner there, and you should be able to get some kind of idea of the sort of tension you need. There, what's that, about 3 inches? See what I've done? Is it marvellous? Is it legendary? And you can see there, I'm pretty much maintaining that. There's the odd, little sort of bit enough. You can see it, but it's millimeters. Just go through those again. This is a HU66 Volkswagen Audi Group pick. But that's the amount of tension you need. I'm not overdoing it. I'm not underdoing it. All lock pickers, all beginner lock pickers, all beginner lock pickers say less tension is more. No, the right tension is more. So look, you can see that, and just go down. I mean, I don't know if you know, but the HU66, which used to do what? Volkswagens, Audi, Skodas, Porsche, you name it. Well, you now need you now need 4 picks to cover that group. Well, I might do a video about that later, but I do enjoy pulling that. There you go. That's the hairband. That's the Lishi. That's the kind of tension you want. I hope you've learned something. Give us a subscription. Give us a thumbs up. Say something in the comments. If we get to 1,000 subscribers, I think we can do live streams. Oh, I'll be live streaming lock picking till the sun goes down. Is that, or the sun comes up? Either. Alright? Either. Ta-da!